It's 11:47 p.m. Your final semester exams are almost here. You have notes, but what's the use? You are not able to understand it. You also have PDFs, but completely looks new. And assignments obviously delay in your laptop and in your mobile. Plenty of tabs are open. You are not lazy, buddy. You are overwhelmed. And the worst part is you still keep studying, but you feel somewhat stuck or behind. What if the problem is you don't need more hours? And what if the problem is you need just a better system? In this video, today I'm going to show you the 5 AI tools that can help you in research, better understanding, not good revision, smart revision, and present your work with confidence. And buddies, stay till the end because I have one AI tool that will replace all these 5 tools, and it will mainly help to the students which are overwhelmed that are switching between these 5 tabs, right? So that was the bonus tip. Stay till the end and make sure you subscribe. Let's begin. Tool 1. Perplexity. Stop searching some random search results. The first problem that every student is facing is research. You are just searching for a simple, just one topic, but it was like big blogs, essays, some random websites from the Wikipedia, copied paragraphs, and some kind of information that not even true. That is where Perplexity can help. Instead of giving only links, it will give attached sources. This means you can quickly understand the topic. For example, instead of searching what is climate change, try this. Explain the main cause of climate change for the university presentation and provide the credible source I can verify. Now you are not just in collecting the information, you are building a foundation, buddy. But remember one thing, buddy. Never just copy and paste the entire answer which was given by the AI to your assignments. Use it to discover reliable sources, understand the topic, and create your own work. Research is not about finding the fast answers. It is just about finding an answer that you generally trust. Trust important, Biglu. And once you have trusted information, the next problem begins. How do you turn all these notes as PDFs and the other sources actually to learn? Here comes our tool number 2. Yeah, your guess is correct. It's none other than NotebookLM. Turn your messy material into a study system. I know. Every student knows this feeling. Your class teacher or subject teacher has been sending the notes in one group and the slides in another group. Maybe why not we think another folder? And the textbook chapter is open somewhere else. You already saved something useful research links, but where do you find now? You didn't remember yet. So here, NotebookLM helps us to bring all the materials together and structure it. You can add your notes, slides, PDFs, trusted sources. Then you are good to go. Ask the questions which was provided in the material. You can literally ask it to create a study guide. Explain the main ideas. Build a revision plan. Or otherwise, generate a questions from your notes. Why not quiz? Imagine you are preparing for an exam which was very difficult. Instead of reading all the bunch of 100 pages and hoping your memory to work, you can ask. Create a simple study guide to this lecture note. Include the most important definitions, examples, and possible exam questions. Now your material is not just sitting there. It's actually working with you. It is especially useful when the semester exams begin. And what about final semester? We completely depend on it. When the real challenge is not to finding more content, the real challenge is organizing all these materials. No study guide can do it by itself. I cannot guarantee that you truly understand the concept or the topic. Further, you need a tutor who is available 24/7. So here comes the tool number 3, ChatGPT, everyone's favorite one, and we call him shortly Chittigadu. Use AI as a tutor, not like a shortcut. Of course, like in smart work too. There is literally huge difference in AI do my work and asking AI help me in my work. The first one obviously gives you the quick answer, but the second one makes you the better person and the better version of yourself. GPT can become your personal tutor, but do not say like give me the answer. Instead of that, say like this. Explain the concept in the simple long ways. And you can also tell that teach me step by step and ask me 3 questions that I actually find I can really understand or not. Or if you want better version, say to ChatGPT that do not reveal the answer immediately. Guide me with hint. That one instruction changes everything. Now you are not just memorizing in response. You are actually thinking. If the concept is too complicated, ask the ChatGPT to give some real life example. If you are preparing for your exam, ask ChatGPT to be your examinator or your invigilator or your examiner. If you are having a weak topic, ask it to create 30 minutes learning plan. And I know ChatGPT will explain in 10 different ways, but pick up one which actually mean for you. When you understand it, you stop there. Don't chat with it because it will never say you bye. Instead of that, it will end up like, let me know if you have any questions. Or do you want any better version like this? So after that, what you will do? Is it completed? You are just consuming, buddy, and just now you had been started thinking. Then where to implement it? Before that, do one thing. Here comes our tool number 4. Quizlet. Make your brain retrieve, not just read. Most students will revise like this. Read the notes, highlight the note, and again read the notes again, and then finally they feel stuck in the exam hall when they forget everything. The truth is simple. Recognizing means not learning. You can obviously recognize the sentence on the page, but still unable to explain without looking. It happens, right? I will 100% bet you it will happen to you and it already happened to me. Quizlet actually help you to move from passive reading to active reading. You can literally turn the important concepts into the flashcard, practice questions, and even the study sets. You can test yourself before the exam. Take the key definition, keywords, formulas, dates, or the concepts from the study guide and convert them into the questions. Instead of just saying, I know this chapter, ask, can I answer to this without looking? That is where real confidence comes from. Because every question you get wrong before the exam it's not failure. It is just a feedback. It tells you what the concept you should focus on and what to revise. And when you can explain the idea, answer the question, and remembers the important points, there is the final step. You need to communicate what you know clearly. So this brings us to tool number 5, Canva. Yeah, everyone's favorite tool, right? Turn understanding ideas into the powerful presentation. Canva wala ad. A good presentation means it's not about adding more animation. It's about making your message easy and understand. Canva will help you in creating clean slides, revision posters, infographics, and visual summaries without needing advanced design skills. You can use it after completing the 4 steps of tools, which was we discussed earlier. For a presentation, just keep it simple, don't make complex. I will give you one major idea for a slide. Use few words. Use few visuals like it actually supports your message. Make sure that you explain everything without seeing the screen. A simple, clean presentation is more powerful because it is about clarity. It makes more clear, not more tabs and even not more stress, not more overnight panics, just a clear system. Now, here we go, a rapid fire. The full study workflow from the beginning. Perplexity to find reliable research. NotebookLM to actually organize your class material and to create a study guide and learn through the questions. Quizlet to actually test your memory to your active recall. Canva is for converting your understandings into the clear presentation or clear visuals. 5 different tools, but the purpose is obviously same, buddy. I know that some people are thinking like it sounds good, buddy, but switching between the 5 AI tools is difficult and overwhelming. So that brings to our bonus tip, Learner.ai. 5 AI tool stuff is replaced into the one tool. And you know what? Learner.ai is specially designed and dedicated to the students. Some people are like, they feel confused, right? Like switching between the different tools make out of focus. But here no problem. One focused tool. It helps all the students in the under pressure situation. Want to access it? Then what are you waiting for? Go to the description and get it. If you feel this video interesting and helpful, make sure to share it with your friend who is actually searching for the notes and chasing the deadlines. And remember one thing, buddy, stay smarter and stay curious.